National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a tornado warning for East Central Johnson County in north central Texas, northwestern Ellis County in north central Texas, until 12:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 12:16 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over El Dorado, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Waxahachie, Midlothian, El Dorado, Ovilla, Venus, Oakleaf, and Mayfield. This includes the following interstates: Interstate 35W between mile markers 20 and 28. Interstate 35E between mile markers 400 and 401. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.